Hello everyone and welcome to Global Defense. In this video we are going to show you the top 10 countries with the most fighter jets in the world in 2024. So let's begin. Starting with number 10, we have Israel. Total fighter jets 241. Number 9, Saudi Arabia. Total fighter jets 283. Number 8, Taiwan. Total fighter jets 286. Number 7, South Korea. Total fighter jets 354. Number 6, Pakistan. Total fighter jets 387. Number 5, North Korea. Total fighter jets 440. Number 4, India. Total fighter jets 606. Number 3, Russia. Total fighter jets 809. Number 2, China. Total fighter jets 1207. Number 1, United States. Total fighter jets 1854. Thanks for watching.